Here's some tips to look and feel comfortable during your photo shoot. 1 to 2 photo locations minimizes the travel time. With each location comes driving, parking, unpacking, then packing up and leaving. Time is a luxury, so use it well. If possible, there's no harm in scouting locations before the day. This allows you to choose a meaningful and/or beautiful location. Some photographers are helpful in adding movement to the photo shoot, like walking, kissing, dancing, holding hands. These things are great on video and it mixes it up from just standing, posing and smiling at the camera. Also, props are fun. Smoke bombs, confetti, sparklers, umbrellas, animals and others. Allow your personality to shine through and be comfortable. Don't be afraid to get silly. Being spontaneous and enjoying conversation looks great on video. If the photo shoot is at the same time as cocktail hour, 2 filmmakers makes it easier to be in these 2 places at once.